So I got my haircut. While I was getting my haircut, I got the call that there's a fight on tomorrow. So I accepted. And now I am about to indulge into this lovely Turkish meal in Thailand. It looks beauty, doesn't it?
It's amazing, bro, man. It's tasty, man. It's what it needs to be. You need it right now. You know what I mean?
That's it. I need this energy in me. All I've stuck on was the fruits earlier today. But we're good to go. Actually, I've got to try this in front of y'all. See what I reckon. A bit of pastry. That's it. That's cooked fucking perfectly. Cute little fishies. She offered to barbecue them for me. It's way too small. They're beautiful though. They have nice tails. They got like glowing tails. As you can see. Hey yo, just a quick update. Tomorrow is going to be very exciting. I got a fight on. I got the call after I got my haircut today, so it's destiny that I was to look a bit, good looking for the fight. I know that the bloke is 75 kilos, that's what my trainer told me. He's like, just want to take it. Come here. So I'm excited. Tomorrow I'll be shooting guns in the morning, be creating some good content for y'all. This is my shorts for the fight. I'm very excited to wear this because while I was living in Geelong, I bought these fresh looking Top King watercolor shorts. Forming them. Just look real good. So currently on the road, heading out to a shooting range with my mate Jimmy. He's stocking up on some pineapples. Did a laced up. He likes pineapples. I mean, I like pineapples too, so. Keen as a bean. Hustling the pineapples. Cocoon cup. Thanks, my brother. You like pineapples?
Yeah, they're pretty good.
They look nice. This is the bro Jimmy from Comfort Zone.
What's up?
We're heading out, and
We're going to a shooting range.
Yes.
On the way, we're getting some fresh pineapple.
Fresh pineapples. Keen as a bean.
Here, try it, bro.
Yeah, keen. Thanks, bro. Nice and cold. There's a bit of salt in there.
I can't take that. It's a little spicy.
You don't like spice?
No, man.
So, just pulled over. Just get a quick nibble in, get some quick breakfast. Simple. I love stopping at like little small stores, like this. I went to another joint, but they only did pork. I kind of want chicken just to, I don't know. Give me that good energy, I mean, I love pork, don't get me wrong, but it's just fight time, so gotta stay clean and prepared. So this is the brekkie for fight day. Got fried egg, bit of cucumber, stir fried basil, chicken. Taste. Said a little bit spicy, but it looks a bit spicy. We'll see. Delicious. They made it well. What you snacking on, bro? A little bit of waffle.
Waffle cookie.
it? Is this the? I haven't been there in a long time.
MPX, 6-hour MPX.
This one in the middle? MPX.
MPX.
This one? Super American sniper, you know? Jimmy, can you let me know which guns are which? This one, what's this one?
That's a
22 sniper.
Yeah.
And this one?
22.
22?
This one's a 22. This one's a 12 gauge shotgun.
12 gauge.
12 gauge shotgun. 9mm, 9mm Scorpion. 45, 1911. You already know. That's a 38 special revolver. Plus 19 or 17. Oh, not
Oh
good.
man, what you up to?
Smoking in a shooting range. Smoke and fuck shit up.
Yes, sir. Nice.
You already know.
Yeah, the pipe. Enjoy, my brother.
sense after I tell you. So you're shooting, see your shoulder, see your elbow is out, right? No, you keep it like this.
Oh, really?
A straight line.
Okay.
So you're a smaller target.
Sure, yeah.
Right? You gotta go watch all the military are.
Yeah, everyone's pretty
They're like
fine.
this. One line. You don't give them a big target.
Right, yeah.
Your elbow in looks more professional.
Good job.
I got both of them for you over here. Sir. That's the old school. One in and then the rest
One in and the rest.
from the bottom. One. Okay, go. And then safety.
Open it up.
Oh, before you shoot. But before you shoot, this one, the recoil, very strong. So you do not shoot like this.
Yeah.
1 foot and then,
Forward?
yeah, lean forward.
Yeah.
Your back lean forward. Do not shoot like this. You go boom.
Yeah.
And then you turn and then I die. Yeah. And make sure this very light. Bah.
Yeah, that looks very small.
So make sure you.
The first one? Yeah.
Boom. hand always here, never here. Alright, have your hand see your elbow bend. No, do not lean back, lean forward. Yeah. Have a little bit back. Yeah, go back. Finger outside, your outside, yes, like this. Put on your shoulder. No, put your finger outside first. When you lean forward. When you're ready, pull.
Is it already clocked?
Yes.
What about
the chamber? You're ready to pull.
What about the safety trigger?
Did you switch the safety yet?
So
Aim and shoot. If nothing comes out, switch the safety. Aim at the big one. Hold it tight. Lean forward. Not back.
Safety's on, yeah.
Okay, lean forward. Is that enough? Lean forward, yeah. Go.
Can I hold on top here?
You just shoot anything first, bro. You don't even know the feeling.
Ah.
The big one. On the back. Before, see how it works. Right, how many? Oh shit.
What's up? What do you mean, oh shit?
Okay, you good.
What happened? What are you thinking?
No. I just want to see if there's any bullets in there. Yeah, so now you can try this automatically. Semi-auto.
That was hectic. That was good. Because I've only shot a double.
Button, and then safety, and shoot.
Yeah, done. Alright. So, finger on the outside.
那边谁在打？
对面的
警察。
不是啊，是你的中文。
哦，IDPA。
来了4批了。
Ready?
2个发。
Safety. Safety.
I did it.
Push it forward. Very heavy. Every time, for this gun and that gun, every time you finish shooting, first thing, safety, and then mag.
Safety, then mag.
Safety first, always safety first. Yeah, because when you're taking the mag, you might accidentally hit the trigger.
Yeah, true, makes sense. No, thanks for the heads up.
No problem.
That's sick, this one's good.
Yeah, you can just, you don't
That
have to
one's
run
old
back.
school. Five, yeah?
长的手掌对一下哦。Your elbow. Yeah.
头顶啊，你看。
You see the red dot? You see red dot?
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
So safety first, and then the mag. Oh, this one. Ah, the thumb. Ah, I see. Thank you, thank you. The thumb, yeah. Ah, easy, easy. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Nice. Any of your shots so far? Shoot the piece of wood
Which one?
right under the target. I think you got it.
Nice. Ah,
Grip it tight.
oh yeah.
Yeah, grip it tight.
Ah, just break it up.
Pull trigger. Take the Mego. Take the Mego and empty the gun. Empty the gun. Pull, pull, pull. 2 times. Pull, pull, pull. Pull, pull. Pull the trigger now. On the floor. Okay, put it down. And we put it down. That's finished clearing the gun. Fuck, you're doing good, bro. Good job, good job, good job. Take out the mag, take out the mag, take out the mag, and then pull the slide. 2 times. Pull the trigger. Put it down. Put the gun down. Put the gun down. 交代这个一个不小心就死人了，没有机会的。
那些小伙也是西藏马的，还有他们几个醉了，
哇，那太危险了。
来到这里就来到这里睡啊，没气了，又刚吸好了又。